let us perform one more example, that is example number 1. So, here the question is, frame a formula while the statement is area of rectangle or area of a triangle. Let us consider triangle here. Area of triangle A is the product of is the area of triangle is 1/2 the product of base B and height H. So, now let us frame a formula for this statement. Area of triangle A is 1/2, that is 1/2. 1/2 the product of base B and height H. So, here area of triangle is given by means of the letter called A and base as what is B and the height as H. Then the statement is area of triangle is 1/2, 1/2, 1/2 the product of base B and height H. So, here as per problem, now the solution starts now. So, we have to frame a formula as per problem. Area of triangle, that is A, is 1/2 the product of base B and height H. So, now area of triangle is given by means of A is, mean is equal to 1/2, that is 1/2 the product, so into base and as well as height, that is B into H. So, here mathematical formula, then now the mathematical formula is, that implies, now say here the mathematical form or mathematical formula is area A is, mean is equals to 1/2, that is half the product, mean into the base is B and as well as the height is H. So, therefore, so area is A, that is equals to half into B into H. Therefore, area of the triangle, that is equals to, whereas in the formula wise, so here A is equals to half BH. So, in this manner, so we have framed a formula, or we have framed a formula that is nothing but an equation consisting the three different terms in it, three different quantities, that is here the quantities are of A, B and H. So, there is a relationship between, so we have created a relationship between three quantities A, B and H in an equation, so which is nothing but a formula. So, therefore, equation of area of the triangle is nothing but A equals to half into B into H. Then now example number 2. Frame a formula for the condition is thrice a number say z decreased by 10 and divided by 7 results 52. So here we have to frame a formula for the condition thrice a number. Here the number is of unknown, but which is given as z in this case. So we have to thrice, we have to multiply 3 times to that of this number z. Then later we have to decrease by means of 10. So we have to subtract 10 from it. Then later we have to divide the entire quantity by means of 7 divided by 7. Then the latter, so here result is of 52, that is we have to equate it to 52. So which gives us the required, that is formula. So here first of all, before going to the solution, as per problem, the number given is z. So here the number which is given is z, then we have to multiply 3 times to that of number, because the condition is of thrice a number say z. Then according to problem, thrice the number is equals to, see here thrice mean, so we have to multiply with 3. So 3 into the number which we supposed is of z. So here we have to multiply 3 times to that of z, which is nothing but 3z. So here thrice the number, that is 3 into z is equals to 3z. Then later we have to decrease. So here as per problem, so here the thrice a number is decreased by 10, but thrice a number decreased by 10 implies, so here as per problem thrice a number is nothing but 3z, but it is decreased. So since it is decreased, so we have to subtract. In case if it is increased, we would have added this 10, but since it is decreased, so here we have to subtract decreased by 10. So this is the result which we got for the statement, that is thrice a number decreased by 10. The latter, then according to problem, thrice a number decreased by 10 and divided by 7 results 52. Then that implies, as per problem, thrice a number decreased by 10, the quantity is of 3z minus 10. So here thrice a number decreased by 10, up to this extent it is of 3z minus 10. But this quantity and divided by 7. So, here this quantity must be divided, whole divided by means of 7. So, 3z minus 7 I have divided it entirely by means of 7, then results that is equals to then 52. When 3z minus 10 is divided by means of 7, then that will gives us the result that as 52. So, in this manner we have framed an equation that is 3z minus 10 whole divided by 7 equals to 52. So, here therefore, the framed formula is 3z minus 10 entirely divided by 7 is equals to 52.